In today's video, I am going to show you how to make money online doing something you already do every day, and that is watching videos. In this website, you can earn money by either taking surveys, playing games, watching video, and doing some other cool stuff. And the reason why I am going to be emphasizing on videos is because it's the easiest to do and requires the least action for you to make money. And you don't even need to watch these videos. All you need to do is let this video play in the background and you can go about your day. Okay, and this website, like I said, you can earn money not with only watching videos but with surveys and playing games. Okay, so this website will pay you in PayPal, Bitcoin, or other gift cards such as Amazon gift card and the like. All right, and also if you sign up for this website, you are going to get $1 straight up in your account, and the minimum that you can withdraw from this website is $7. And I'm going to show you how to do everything in this video. So if you stick with me to the end of this video, you are going to learn how to do everything. All right, so the website is gg2u.org. Okay, so once you're up on this website, the first thing you want to do is you want to create an account if you don't have one already, and the account creation is free, easy. So to create an account, basically you want to input your name, your email address, your username. All right, you choose your country and then you want to check this box and then create an account. It's fairly that simple. Okay, so once you create an account, they will send you an email that looks like this. Okay, so once they send you this email, what you need to do is just click on that link to verify your account. So once you've done that, you come back to this website and you will log in. So I have an account with them already, so I am going to log in. All right, so once you log into your account, as you can see right here, this is the free $1 that this website is going to give you. And if you earn $5 more, as you can see here, if you earn $6 more, they are going to pay you the $7. Okay, all right, so you can see various tasks that you can do to earn money with this website. As you can see, there are a lot of options here that you can make money with on this website, but we are going to click on these videos. So once you click on these videos, you will need to join a website called Hideout. Okay, so if you join this Hideout website, you will be able to earn points on this website. Okay, I know this may sound confusing, but if you don't have a Hideout account, you want to click on this link right here. Click here to join. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this website. So basically all you need to do is the same thing. You want to input your name, or you can sign in, or you can sign up with your Google account or Facebook account. Okay, so basically you want to check this box once you are done, but these last two options are optional. You don't need to check those ones. Then you click on I'm not a robot and then you sign up. Okay, so once you sign up here, as you can see here, it says start earning. These are videos. As you can see, these are a lot of videos that you can watch, and basically you can watch these videos all day long. Okay, and like I said, you don't even need to actively watch this video. All you need to do is let this video play in the background and then you can go about your day. All right, and you can still earn money. And as you can see here, it says for every 200 points. So these videos have different points. All right, so each video has various points that you would earn after watching the videos. So for every 200 points, for every 200 points, this website is going to pay you between $1 to $3. Okay, so you can literally watch these videos all day. And if you want to increase your earnings, basically all you need to do is you want to come back to the home page, and as you can see right here, there are other tasks that you can complete. As you can see here, if you click on this task, you will be able to maximize your earnings from this website. And this is perfect for those who have never earned any money at all online. You can do this all day long. Okay, so if we click on, let's click on this offer tutorial. So as you can see here, it brought us to this website. So basically I think you need to, you have to install these apps. Okay, As you can see here, this one is going to give you 1,293 points. As you can see, another one here is going to give you 3,780 points. So basically, you can download this app, you can complete these offers right here. Okay, as you can see, it's endless and you can earn unlimited points. Okay, as you can see right here, I can keep scrolling. You can see it's literally endless. So there are a lot of offers that you can complete here. So once you complete these offers, your earnings will reflect in your account right here. And once you reach $7, like I said, you will be able to withdraw your earnings from either PayPal, or you can use gift cards to receive your earnings. This is one of the ways that you can increase your earnings with this website, aside from watching videos. So yeah, if I click on this peanut lab offer, okay, it's going to take me to this website. As you can see, another website where you can earn points. Okay, as you can see, you can literally do this all day long if you don't want to watch only videos. Okay, as you can see, this one here, 500 points. As you can see, there are a lot of things you can do on this website right here, and you can use that to earn money. And then once you reach the $7 threshold, you will be able to receive your earnings. And I hope you found some value in this video. And if you do, pump the like on this video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace and love.